chose ACM to pursue my interest in machining because it's real close to where I live, and from people outside of the college I heard a lot of good things about the instructor.
I chose to come to ACM to pursue my interest in machining because I had lost my job with Versa whenever they had closed down. And AC did a really good job of helping reach out to us. And when I found out about this program, I became interested and decided to sign up.
But with the paper mill shutting down, I chose to do this because I know the opportunities are there. But I was aware of machining and machine shop and knew that the potential was there with the growing demand for machinists in the United States right now. The field is wide open. There's specialties and things of that nature.
I chose the course at ACM after it being recommended by the manager of a large local machine shop. The most unique thing about this course is the students. Anyone at any given time will put everything down to come over and help you with whatever you might need help with.
Everyone comes in here and helps everyone out, helps them learn, helps them finish parts, and helps them put themselves in a position where they can succeed and further themselves in this career.
We have teachers here who have been in the field, they've worked it, and not just worked it, but they've been in it through their whole lives. This is something they've done, they know inside and out, and they've been able to prepare us for our jobs in the future.
I would have to say with this class, we've gotten a well-rounded experience and a well-rounded education.
My goal after reaching the first level of certification is to get a job at a local machine shop and continue on with my second level certification.
Well, I got my certification for the first level of this class. It helped me get a job in this field. Job is awesome. I love it. It's helped me become a better machinist and really further my career so far pretty early.
You know, losing a job after 19 years and you're having to retool to go in another career path. I have lots of guys around me that are going through the same thing. And I would have to say to a person that is thinking about another career path, this is definitely a way to go.
Through taking this class, I was able to become certified and I was able to get right out into the workforce, and my certificates allowed me to get a job. And I'm still furthering my education to advance myself in that job. And this class gives me the skills I need to do that.